The atheist said, ha ha.
Okay. Hey, it's... Oh. Sorry for the strange intro, but I had to do it as I noticed on vanillatweaks.net. There was an Ilmango Golden Apples Resource Pack. But anyways, hey there, bods, AngryBird121 here, back with another vid. And there was a new update on Animal Jam. I'm a bit late for this because I've been playing on a new Minecraft server with Bean. But there's the Summer Splash ad and bundle and advertisement for the Eco Wind Turbines. In the previous Animal Jam video, the one I earned mysteriously self-destructed, and now it's mysteriously self-undestructed. As you can see here. And as you could in the intro, I honestly don't know why it was like that, but that was perfect as the mushroom didn't come out from behind the wall, so it actually made it seem like the mango was going moo. And I didn't enchant a regular golden apple, I got an enchanted golden apple from the menu in creative mode. And you may also have noticed in the background some armor stands that don't look like your average armor stands. That's because I got the armor statues data pack from vanillatweaks. So go check out vanillatweaks.net. They've got all of the best free Minecraft data packs and resource packs that don't change the gameplay in an RL Craft kind of way. Yeah, the most they do is have it so that more mobs that drop per basically like heads. And you can also write a book in one of their data packs that allows you to control armor stands. Wait, hang on, why am I getting the Summer Splash as it is? Also, how come I didn't notice they appear to have changed this up a bit? Okay, this is definitely the ultimate armor den. Did it just call the den Summer Fun? You guys saw that Who did you? It gave me the music first. That's gotta be new in the update. Looks like Bean acknowledged that I was going to go on Animal Jam, because I did tell him through Discord that I was going to do an Animal Jam video. Okay, looks like you can only get 240 credits at a time. So I'm going to put the snow cones in here because the highlight, so like basically the snow cone stand is the thing that everyone likes most in Animal Jam. Let's see if it actually works. Okay, yeah, it dispenses snow cones like the previous one did. Because they actually released the snow cone dispenser before, and everyone uses it. But I can't wait to see the castle that Bean is building in the new Super Flat World, which fans are able to join. I will put a server or address in the description. I'm gonna try and level up my armadillo lizard a little bit more. Currently, no, the reason I've been spending so much time on Minecraft on the server with Bean. I also recently got the light blue slimes texture pack from Vanilla Tweaks. So it looks like that's going to do it for this quick update video. I'm going to switch over to the new den first just to show you guys, because I haven't explored this den at all. They appear to have gotten like, they got the pictures exactly the same. Whoa. I think this is the first den that rotates the camera around. Animal Jam is slowly yet getting all of the cool features that Feral Beta has. elevator you could rotate the camera. I have a feeling that there's some sort of way to get into this big stream of water. Somewhere. Nope, looks like it's just decoration. This den is so big that the camera has to rotate to go with it. Whoa! Okay, maybe that was a bit out of control, even for a den as big as this. Okay, what's this over here? Wow! That got me direct! It didn't miss aim at all. Ah, yes. Okay. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.